to 48 hours, we are expecting for the eggshell to be dissolved. We'll take another video then. Welcome back to our lab. 24 hours has passed and we are going to pick our egg out of vinegar.
Try them.
First I need to
Make sure you see that. Don't squeeze it too much.
okay.
It may break.
And the oak might come out.
Now,
as you can see it is soft and bouncy.
not too far. Just a little. Yep, just a little. There we go.
It's bouncy.
Artam, do you want to give it a try? How is it? How is it, Artam?
Good. What?
Good?
It's bouncy yet.
It's bouncy. Yay!
Inside, okay?
What happened? The eggshell is dissolved in
inside.
vinegar.
Yeah.
No
Do
more
it
eggshell.
Do it inside, okay?
Throw it inside.
Please do
Alright.
inside.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Yeah, that's his home.
Bye. Go.
A few days has passed since we put the egg in vinegar. As you see, it doesn't have the shell anymore. It is dissolved in vinegar completely.
Show us how bouncy it is. There you go.
Easy.